breath turns to glass on my trembling lips. Streets painted silver, on the edge it slips. You trace my name in the window frost. Say stay a little longer, like you don't see the cost. You're that frozen honey on my tongue, sweet, but you burn my lungs so beautiful. It cuts me through, too cold to hold, but I run to you. I keep reaching out into this air so that every touch is fire on my skin. I'm mesmerizing, pulling me under. Skies hanging low, like they're gonna break. Your hand in my pocket, still I shake, I shake. Your eyes glow blue, like a buried storm. You say you'll keep me safe.